Attain the tabletop position with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Squeeze your scapulas together and take your chest forward towards the floor. Make sure your elbows are straight all through. For scapular training exercise, squeeze in your scapulas together and try to sit back on your heels as far as possible. Make sure your scapulas are squeezed in all through the movement as you move back and forth. For thoracic rotation, place your hand behind the ear gently and move your elbow up towards the ceiling as high as possible and bring it down across the other side of the body. Try to move through maximal range of motion available in both the directions.